Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make black bean soup from dried beans. First, let's prepare our beans. Begin by thoroughly rinsing 1 pound of dried black beans under cold, running water. Next, transfer the rinsed beans to a large bowl and cover them with about 3 inches of fresh water. Allow them to soak for at least 8 hours, or ideally overnight, to ensure they soften properly for cooking. Once your beans have soaked, it's time to cook them. First, drain and rinse the soaked beans thoroughly under cold water. This helps remove any starches. Then, transfer the rinsed beans to a large pot and add 6 cups of fresh water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook for 60 to 90 minutes or until the beans are tender. Now, let's build the delicious base for our soup. In a separate large pot, sauté 1 diced onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks until they are soft and fragrant. Next, add 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, cooking for about 1 minute until aromatic. Finally, stir in 4 cups of vegetable broth along with your perfectly cooked black beans. To finish your incredible black bean soup, let it simmer gently for about 20 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt, pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten everything up. Serve hot with your favorite toppings. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.